Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This is Mr. DM Sirsat from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are going to discuss the element of symmetry. Element of symmetry is a very interesting and important part in chemistry. See, so what is meant by element of symmetry? The simply a geometrical identity such as line, a plane or point with respect to which one or more symmetry operations may be carried out is called as element of symmetry. And why element of symmetry is more important? It is a more convenient way to detect the chirality of molecule, to detect the optical activity of molecule. Suppose the molecule shows element of symmetry, means either plane of symmetry, center of symmetry or any other symmetry, then the molecule becomes achiral, means is optically inactive. Suppose the molecule does not show any element of symmetry, all element of symmetries are absent, then molecule will be non-superimposable on its mirror image, and this molecule is called as chiral molecule. It shows optical activity, means is called as optical active molecule. What is meant by optical activity? PPL means plane polarized light is rotate either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction is called as optical activity. Next, the types of element of symmetry. Number 1 is a plane of symmetry. Number 2, center of symmetry. Number 3, proper rotational axis symmetry. Number 4, alternating axis symmetry. And last one is the identity symmetry. Let's see one by one. Number first is a plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is represented by using symbol sigma. An imaginary plane constructed in the molecule, then molecule bisects into two fragments and these two fragments are exactly mirror image of each other, then this molecule said to possess the plane of symmetry. See the number first very interesting example, butterfly molecule. Butterfly is a very interesting, very best example of this plane of symmetry. When the imaginary plane is constructed in this butterfly, then these two wings, number first part and this number second part, these two wings are exactly mirror image of each other, means it shows the plane of symmetry. Number second example is a spectacle, same imaginary plane constructed in this same this number first fragment, number second fragments, these two fragments are exactly mirror image of each other, means again this shows the plane of symmetry. But in chemistry, there is one interesting example is a mesotartaric acid, and the mesotartaric acid is optically inactive due to presence of this plane of symmetry. What is mean by meso? Basically, the bichiral molecules means the molecule which containing two or more than two chiral center. Then in this molecule, this bulky group or same group present on the same side as well as the molecule shows the plane of symmetry is called as mesoisomer, and this mesotartaric acid is optically inactive due to presence of this plane of symmetry. When imaginary plane constructed in this mesotartaric acid, then these two fragments is above fragment and is a below fragment. These two fragments are exactly mirror image of each other, means this molecule is said to possess the plane of symmetry. Then next example is a methyl group, CS3 group, CS3 group. Again there is a one plane, then these two fragments are exactly mirror image of each other, means also this molecule shows the plane of symmetry. Then plane of symmetry is classified into three types. Number 1, vertical plane of symmetry. Number 2, horizontal plane of symmetry, and number 3 is a dihedral plane of symmetry. Number first, vertical plane of symmetry is represented by using symbol sigma phi. A plane which is parallel to principal axis is called as vertical plane, and the symmetry is called as vertical plane of symmetry. See the number first example, very interesting example, water molecule. This oxygen is surrounded by these two hydrogen H1, H2. There is a one principal axis with a C2 rotation, and exactly parallel to this principal axis there is a two plane, number first plane, number second plane, means this water molecule it shows the vertical plane of symmetry. Similar to this water molecule, this formaldehyde molecule, same this carbon, there is a double bonded oxygen, again hydrogen, hydrogen, means there is a same proper rotational axis of symmetry, principal axis with two rotation, means there is a C2 symmetry, and exactly parallel to this C2 axis there is a two plane, means this formaldehyde molecule also it shows the vertical plane of symmetry. Then second is a horizontal plane of symmetry is represented by using symbol sigma h. Plane which is perpendicular to principal axis is called as horizontal plane of symmetry. See the best example, boron trifluoride. Central boron is surrounded by three peripheral fluorine. The hybridization of this central boron is sp2 hybridization, means geometry is a trigonal planar geometry. This boron trifluoride molecule it shows proper rotational axis symmetry with three rotation, means C3 symmetry, means there is one principal axis and is another three is a subsidiary axis. Exactly perpendicular to this principal axis there is one plane. This plane is called as horizontal plane, means this boron trifluoride molecule it shows the horizontal plane of symmetry. Then next one is a dihedral plane of symmetry is represented by using symbol sigma d. A plane which bisects the angle formed between two similar consecutive C2 axes is called as dihedral plane of symmetry. See the example, allene molecule it shows dihedral plane of symmetry. What is mean by allene? Is a consecutive continuous arrangement of double bond is called as allene molecule. In allene molecule there is an odd number of double bond, it shows geometrical isomerism, and even number of double bond it shows optical isomerism. In this there is a two double bond, means it shows optical isomerism. From this central carbon there is a two consecutive C2 axis, and the angle formed between these two consecutive C2 axis is bisects by this plane, and this plane is called as dihedral plane, means this allene molecule it shows the dihedral plane of symmetry. Then second one is a center of symmetry is represented by using symbol I. An imaginary point in a molecule from which line drawn on one side and then produced to equal distance on the opposite side meets exactly similar point in the molecule is called as center of symmetry. And the best example of this center of symmetry is a trans dichloroethene. From this imaginary point, from this central point, at the right side there is one chlorine, at the left side same there is one chlorine, means this molecule trans dichloroethene molecule it shows the center of symmetry. Then benzene molecule also it shows the center of symmetry. The center of symmetry is also called as invergent symmetry. And then number third example, these are the number first isomer, second isomer. The first isomer is a cis isomer and second is a trans isomer. Cis isomer there is no center of symmetry, but in case of this trans isomer it shows the center of symmetry, means it shows invergent symmetry. In a first isomer, from this center point at the right side there is one methyl group, at the left side hydrogen, means these two are not identical group, means cis isomer there is no center of symmetry. But in case of trans isomer, from this center there is right side there is one methyl group, at the left side same methyl group, means this trans isomer it shows invergent symmetry, it shows the center of symmetry. Then number third is a proper rotational axis symmetry is represented by using symbol Cn. An imaginary axis constructed in the molecule and then molecule can be rotated around the axis gives indistinguishable configuration, then the molecule said to possess the proper rotational axis symmetry. See the example, number first example, water molecule, central oxygen with two peripheral hydrogen H1 and H2. From this central oxygen, imagine there is a construction of imaginary axis and the molecule is rotate around this axis by 180 degree. It gives second indistinguishable structure, means this water molecule it shows C2 symmetry. Then number second example, ammonia, central nitrogen with 3 hydrogen. Basically the hybridization of this nitrogen is sp3 hybridization with one lone pair, and geometry is a pyramidal geometry. From this central nitrogen an imaginary axis is constructed and the molecule is rotate around this axis by 120 degree. It gives 3 indistinguishable structure, means this ammonia molecule it shows C3 symmetry. Then similar to ammonia, it is a BF3 molecule, central boron with a surrounded 3 fluorine. the boron having hybridization sp2 hybridization and geometry is a trigonal planar geometry, an imaginary axis constructed in this central boron, and this molecule is rotated around its axis, then it gives three indistinguishable structure, means it shows the C3 symmetry. The next example is a complex of iron, also it shows C3 symmetry. The second complex of this iron, it shows C2 symmetry. Then next one, number 4, is alternating axis symmetry, is represented by using symbol Sn. If the molecule is rotated around an axis and resulting orientation is reflected in a plane which is perpendicular to this axis to attain an equivalent orientation, then the molecule is said to possess the alternating axis of symmetry. See the best example, again trans dichloroethene. From this center, means from these two carbon, double bonded carbon, an imaginary axis is constructed and then molecule is rotated around its axis by 180 degree, it gives number second structure. Then second structure is reflected in the mirror, then it gives number third, and this number third structure is exactly identical to first structure, means there is a alternating axis of symmetry. Similar to this trans dichloroethene, see here the same, the first structure after 90 degree rotation it gives second, and second is reflected in this mirror, it gives final orientation, and this resulting orientation is exactly identical to first structure, means this molecule also shows the alternating axis of symmetry. Then number 5 is identity symmetry, is represented by using symbol E. The symmetry element identity is obtained by an operation is called as identity operation. After identity operation, it results the original structure. This is doing by simply we do not do anything on molecule, means there is no rotation, or we rotate the molecule by 360, it gives identical structure, means first molecule and this second molecule, these are exactly identical, and there is either 0 degree rotation or 360 degree rotation. This symmetry is called as identity symmetry. These are the element of symmetry, and thank you very much for your patience listening.